Guess who's going to have the scariest costume this year? Me.
Nuh-uh, Arthur. I'm going to be way scarier than you.
What could you possibly think of that's scarier than Frankentist?
Lots of things. How about a hairless mouse? Or a dog that walks on its hind legs? Or a roller skate without shoelaces? Or I could be a brown banana. That's scary.
Mom, can you please make DW stop hiccuping? She's been doing it since yesterday.
I can't help it.
Did you try holding your breath, DW? Maybe that'll work.
Okay.
Cut it out. That's worse than hiccuping.
Oops, sorry.
What's scarier, a crown or a tiara? And why are you covered in crumbs?
It's all DW's fault. She's been hiccuping for 2 days, and it's driving me crazy.
Well, curing hiccups is easy. All you have to do is drink a glass of water upside down.
You mean you have to be upside down when you drink the water? Or you have to hold the glass so it's upside down when you drink?
Beats me. I've never had the hiccups.
Some scientists believe that if you scare someone, you can cause an esophageal contraction, and they'll stop hiccuping.
1 plus 0 is what? Excellent! Now, girls and boys, let's try something harder. Something that will How about...
Is that your idea of scary?
Ow!
DW, isn't there any way you can stop hiccuping?
No.
She's tried everything. Holding her breath, drinking water. I don't know what else to do.
Brian told me to scare her, but it only made her hiccups worse.
That's because there's no way you could scare me. You're too Arthur-y. Okay, Arthur, if you really want to scare me, then here's my list of things that are scary.
Doob bunny?
Dark bunny. I've never seen it, but I've heard it's scary.
Octopuses?
Octopuses. If one fell in my bath, I don't know what I would do.
This can't be right. Number 3 looks like a cookie.